Currently in the set of 6 of these Royal Worcester Demitasse coffee cups and saucers, 2 3/8 inch, I think diameter, 2 3/8 inch tall, and the little saucers are just so pretty. Quite modern Royal Worcester marks. These aren't old Worcester. These are probably 1960s, 70s or 80s. They're modern crown and orb 51 marks, made in England with the registration. Pink rose on the front, plain rears, classic Worcester handle with the little ribbons running round it, and a beautiful gilt rim, plain rim, and then that sits on this very delicate little round saucer, absolutely beautifully decorated again with that single pink old-fashioned rose stem and blossom. Very fine sets, 6 of these in a matching set, so it makes a really fine coffee set. Probably would have been boxed originally, but the box didn't come our way. We've just got the 6 Demitasse coffee cups or cans and saucers. They're on the large side for Demitasse coffee cups. They take a sort of quadruple espresso for most espresso shots, so they're quite large. Designed back when coffee was served post dinner from a cafetiere or the likes, and would have had cream served with the coffee in this particular instance as opposed to a black espresso, but they can be used any way you like in this day and age, and to have 6 of them in mint cabinet condition is really quite unusual. Not seen this design before. Come from a series of rose patterns that Royal Worcester issued. Don't think they specifically had a name at that time. It was just referred to as the Rose series. Anyway, 6 available individually. Demitasse cup and saucer, price per set, and they're available from the Vintage and Antiques website on the link below. Thanks for watching.